The Q5 Sportback actually means a lot to me. It is really important, of course, to respect the character of the Q5. Q5 is a car that is very well known in the Audi family. In this sense, I think we just took the best of it and we improved it in certain areas that we consider it was important. We made the focus on redefining the concept, keep the dynamism of the car. We lifted the lights, we lifted the rear lights. We make the shoulder more dominant. It really brings the character of the car to the street. We have here a Q5 Sportback, which is a really important car actually for the Q5 family. The Sportback is something really special because it's got all this power of the SUV, but with a really dynamic rear. It closes really towards the back and it brings this extra dynamism to the car. The design of the Q5 Sportback is built on clarity. It was really important for us to reduce every element to the maximum. That is the perfect place also to have this three-dimensional element that is the rear light that goes from side to side, making an emphasis on the width of the car. Sportivity, we see it, of course, in the rear bumper, the diffuser, and of course, we have double round symmetrical exhaust pipes. For the design of this SQ5 Sportback, it was really important to play with certain elements. For example, the light that moved upwards to bring more character in the street. We created a three-dimensional element that it contains and split the functions in two elements. We see the graphic in the upper part and it's hiding the functions in the lower area. Of course, Audi means single frame. In that case, we see this octagonal shape where we are highlighting with this 3D element one of the sides, and therefore we create this pattern that clearly communicates that this is an SQ5 Sportback. We created a really dynamic and sporty silhouette in the exterior of the SQ5 Sportback, even though we didn't do any compromise in the interior. I'm around 1.90 m, but I still have plenty of space around me. The interior is, of course, classical Audi, extremely human-centric. Interior and exterior are created since the beginning with the same philosophy and the same character. This is always really important in Audi design. We say we start from the inside out, and it's really visible in the Q5 Sportback how this character is communicated directly to the customer in the street. My name is Juan Carlos Huerta. I'm exterior designer at Audi Design.